Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a cool logo like this using the software called Aspire. I designed this logo for a friend of mine who runs the game shop. The design is done on an MDF. It's about 14.5 inches tall and 21 inches wide. The thickness of the MDF is about 10 mm. First of all, you need to come up with a cool design. You can get help from the internet. For example, this one is a step-by-step guide on how to design your logo. In the last section of this article, there are a few helpful tools which you can use in creating your logo. For example, this one here is a free website where you can create a logo in just a few steps. Using this website, I created a logo that looks like this one. There's a cool guy looking there, standing at the top holding a sword. I like this design, but I'm going to create something different. So I also searched on the internet and came up with this image of the handle of, looks like the handle of a PlayStation. So I'm going to use these two images and design my logo using this software. So let's jump in. First of all, you need to create a new file. Mention your job size here. Click OK. Now import the bitmap. The first one is this one. I'm going to resize it about 350. Click apply. Close this. Now we need to press this bitmap by using this icon. You can play with these values here, but I'm going to preview, apply, and close. The image is still there, so we need to make the image disappear so that we can see the traces of the bitmap. We can come here and click this icon here. It will make the image disappear. After that, you can see the traces here. Now there are some imperfections. For example, there is a triangle sticking out there, and the circles are not perfect. These are more like polygons. In order to make them perfect, you need to select the whole image, ungroup this, and clear out any imperfections that you see there. Search for your image. For example, I'm going to delete this one. After that, select the whole image and click this icon here, which will smooth out the imperfections here. For example, when I click this and preview, here you can see now the circles are perfect, the corners are sharp, and the curves are smooth looking. Now I'm going to import the next image, but first of all I will add a new layer here and turn off the first layer. Now import the second image. I will just use the guy over here and the stars. So I need to press this bitmap, click preview, apply, and close. Ungroup this image. First of all, make the bitmap layer disappear. Ungroup this one, and we are going to leave this guy over here and the stars over here. So hold shift, select the guy and the three stars, delete the rest. We can also smooth these out too by clicking this icon, preview, and OK. and you can see the stars have become. The stars are looking fine, so we will only smooth this one out. It's a disaster, you know. So we are going to only select this circle, smooth it out, preview, click OK, and now we are done. So we can now activate the first layer, click this one, and first align this to the center, click OK. Now select the guy, align it to the center. We need to resize it. I'm going to give about 55 mm. It's good now. The stars, I'm going to take them to the top, about the handle, just about there. Now I'm going to write the name of the game shop. So come here and select this icon here. Name the game shop. Here I will write Playbox. You can choose your font here and your text height here. I'm going to use about 20 or maybe 18. Close. But I need this text to be in the form of a curve. For that, I'm going to draw a curve. Click apply, close. Now select your text, hold shift and select the arc. Now use this icon, text on a curve, and you can play here too. I need the text to be below the curve. You can also give some offset, for example 5 mm, and click close. After that, we do not need the arc, so we are going to delete this one. The letters are close to each other, so we are going to make them apart. Select your text and click this icon here, edit text spacing and curve. Hold shift and left click on your mouse. It looks good now. So the name of the shop is here. Now we need to add another text which says the game is on. And we are going to make this about 16 mm. Close. You can put this text on the right side and the left side, whichever you like. I'm going to draw an arc now. Click apply, close. Now select your text, hold shift, and select the arc. Click this again, and we are going to give some offset about 5 mm. Close. Now delete the arc. So now you get the idea of how to design your logo. It's almost done, and we are going to offset this image. Select the whole image and group this. Now click offset. I'm going to use 10 mm as the offset. Click close. The We are going to delete these on the inside. So now the offset here will become our profile cut, and everything on the inside will be our V carving. So select all on the inside, and now click this icon to switch to the cam side. Here you can set your material. The MDF is about 10 mm of thickness. You can use the XY datum as your center, or you can make it on the axis here to the bottom left. After that, this is the clearance and the plunge. Use custom values for your CNC. Click OK. Now you need to select this one, the carving, and the flat depth I am using is about 6 mm, and I'm going to use the V-bit tool, which is having a diameter of 6.35 mm. I'm also using a clearance tool, so selecting this, and now calculate. Preview the selected tool path, and you get this design. It's not bad, it's good. Now close this one, and for the profile cut we will select the offset, go to that cam side, and select profile tool path. We will use a 6 mm end mill, and it will take about 5 passes to cut the profile out on the MDF. Don't forget to add tabs and edit the tabs, edit, and close. Now calculate the tool path. There's a warning that the tool will cut through the material, and that is what we want. So click OK. And now preview the selected tool path, and now you can see that the profile cut is seen over here, and it's the design that we want. So now sit back and enjoy while the CNC carve it on the MDF. Thank you for watching.